students. Today we are going to learn about history. Today I am going to give some introduction about history. History, what is the difference between history and geography? These two are related. In geography we are going to see what is the changes happening every day. Today it is our say for example our earth is today like this. After few years it will become something. We are going to see the changes, but in history it is abstract. We cannot predict. Okay, if it is for example Tipu Sultan, we don't know, but we can see what they have done it, but that is abstraction. We cannot see about Tipu Sultan how he is, and we cannot touch also. It is like that abstraction. So history is always, it is gives the awareness about how our past andre 100 years, before 100 years, how our world, and now how it is. We can come to know that through somebody has gone to some in olden days they used to write it on cave, how their life was. It is through that writing we can come to know that how in 1000 years back how human beings are there, what was their habit of eating, how they used to live. Now it is we will come to know that that is called script. Some script they left it, and we read that script and we'll come to know that, oh, it was like that. See, suppose for example if I want to know about Mysore Maharaj, they wrote something script, some books or their monuments in some temples, some palace. Through that only we can come to know that how they were. Even though if you go visit in some temples like Beluru, Alebeedu and all, they used to, in those days there is no books and paper. They used to write it on the wall of the stone and the wall of the temple. We can our historians can read that and can understand that. They can translate into today's language. So through that only we can come to know that the study of past we can tell that history. Who tells about, who keep record and who study the history, the historians who studies the history, those people are called historians. So through their work we can come to know that so many things. Suppose in thousands years back, maybe our human, we are all were like this. Through the evolution, now we are like this. This is history. Now we are like this. This is present. This is past and present. We can come to know that some records and some script. We can come to know that how we are, and now what we used to wear, what we used to eat. We will come to know all those things. So history mainly, see, suppose if you plan, I will give you homework later stage. History depend three categories. One is physical time, second one is biological time, third one is geological time. Physical time means what? Like present, past, present and future. What happened? Okay. Physical time means past, present, future. For example, if you take one seed, okay, you are going to plant one seed. That plant, what will happen? Today, if I am going to plant one seed, that is called present. After few days, that seed start growing like this. This is called, this is present. Seed becomes past. So past means what? Whatever happened before. So before few days back I planted a seed that is called past. After few days it becomes plant, that is present. After few days it becomes tree, the tree becomes present, the plant become past. Next 1 year, 2 year after that it grows fruits and all, that is present. Now it is present. Future, what will give tree? It gives fruit like this, that is future. After 1 year, 2 year, if you are waiting for that, it becomes future. So past, present, future. In history we are going to talk about past, present, future. Understood? So geological time. Geological time means what? Suppose if you want to study some, geology is nothing but what? Study of writing of earth. Correct? We are going to talk about earth related, how we are related and how it is changing, seasons, everything we are going to study. We are going to learn. So look at here, wood. See, if I want to study what is the age of wood, we are going to start counting rings. 1 year, each year we are going to get one ring. This becomes hardwood. It's a dead cells. So this is softwood. This grey color, dark brown is softwood. This is one ring, 2, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, like this we can count. We can come to know that how many years old tree it is. This is called geographical time. So in history we are going to see, suppose if you are morning, what you will do, once you get up from the bed, you will go, you will do your morning duties. After that you will have your breakfast, correct? No, after you will come, you will do your work, you will do homework, or you are going to attend any classes. Afternoon, what you will do, you will have your lunch. What happened? Morning, whatever you had breakfast, that is past. Whatever you having lunch, that is present. Whatever you are going to have in night, that is dinner, supper, that is future. So before, what you had? Breakfast before. Now it is lunch. After it is dinner. History talks about yesterday what happened, today what is going to happen, tomorrow is what is going to happen. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, before, now, after. So for example, in 100 years back, how our Bangalore, you can ask your grandparents and all, they will tell you, in our days there was no traffic, there was no apartment, we used to enjoy Bangalore, it was like a green city, we used to enjoy like seasons also, we used to feel so much cold when it is winter season. Now there is no cold at all. Why they used to tell? Because of we are cutting trees and everyday temperature is rising, and vehicles, they releases carbon dioxide, factory releases chemicals and all, and population is also increased in Bangalore. I will show you one picture. Look at here, 100 years back, how our town hall, this is town hall. You please go and visit this place. You write history about this town hall. Now look at this picture, how the town hall look like. Town hall look like. So the history tells about the changes, the historical changes in Bangalore. So this is what we wanted. See, for example, if you are morning, you get up, you will do all your things, you will work for, you will work. After that, what will happen? Night also, it is going to be, definitely it is going to be happen. So morning, when sun rises, after that 9:30, now morning 6 o'clock will become past, 9:30 will become present. So noon sun will start going to going, and sunset will come, that is future. So present, past, present, future. So look at here, day. Day is present, night is future. When it is night, night is present, day is future. It is like that. History tells about present, future, past, everything. Look at here. In if you history, if you, in India, in Taj Mahal, if you want to know about Taj Mahal, that is history. We don't know that Shah Jahan, about Shah Jahan and all. We came to know that about that script, what they written on the wall, on book, whatever it is. We are going to come to know that through that only. So like that, that is one of the wonder of the world. Seven wonders of the world. In Taj Mahal is also one of the wonder. Like pyramid, Egyptian pyramid, we don't know who built. Exactly, we don't know that. But somebody has written who built this pyramid, why this built pyramid. Like that, we can come to know that through their script or some records. The study of past about how the things changed, human beings, lifestyle, and the cities. Now, 100 years back, Dodballapura was small village. Now it is big town. Like that. History tells about the present, past, present, and future. Thank you so much.